Turning your ideas into a successful online business can be hard, especially if you don't know where to start or where to continue in your business. But don't worry, I'll provide you with the proper tools to build a loyal clientele. Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use your iPhone and your Mac screen as a monitor for your filming days. This is what I do on my filming day. This is a prime example of using what you have until you can afford what you really want. You don't need expensive things to get your YouTube channel started. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into this tutorial. Before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. So the things that you will need for this tutorial: a USB-C to USB adapter, and it has the USB plug right here. And this is the plug to go to the Mac. USB cord, your charger cord, and we're going to be using QuickTime Player, which is a app that is included in your Mac. Well, you don't have to go out and buy a expensive monitor for your filming days. You can use what you have. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just go ahead and connect these two. Again, this part will go into your computer and this part will go into your phone. I'm going to show you exactly where I go to pull up my iPhone screen on my computer. And you want to go to search, or if you have it down here, you can go to QuickTime Player. And then once QuickTime Player pops up in the corner right here, you want to go to File, New Movie Recording, and you'll see my iPhone screen is now on my computer. If you open up this app and it's not on your computer screen, just hit the down arrow and you can change it from FaceTime HD camera to iPhone. And you can also decide what microphone you want to use. Do you want to use your MacBook Air? Do you want to use your iPhone for the audio quality? So now the audio is coming directly from my iPhone instead of my computer. And it's that simple. Now you can use your Mac as a display monitor for your filming days. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later.